welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT for freelancing and client work. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your ChatGPT for freelancing and your client work, all you gotta do is simply go to your ChatGPT first. Now once you're in your ChatGPT, all you gotta do now is simply use your ChatGPT for freelancing to draft your proposals. You can optimize your profiles and like generate some content ideas with it, and you can also handle client communication by providing detailed prompts, organizing chats by client, and refining AI outputs to add your unique touch. You can transform it from a generic tool into a powerful assistant for efficiency, quality, and better client acquisitions. You need to focus on using it for structuring, brainstorming, and editing, not just creating and ensuring the final work reflects your expertise and personality. So this way you can use ChatGPT for freelancing and client work. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching.